Today we're going right into the movies. Hello, hiya, and yoo-hoo everybody. Welcome to another most magical stay on Earth, where we show you the rooms, the food, the transportation, and all the different things that we can do at all of the different resorts on Walt Disney World property. Today we are at All Star Movies. It is a value resort here at Walt Disney World, and it is totally themed to all of our different movies throughout the years. Let's go ahead and dive into All Star Movies. This value resort brings to life the magic and nostalgia of iconic Disney movies. Throughout the resort, you'll find giant, larger-than-life statues. Buzz, Woody, and the gang welcome you to the Toy Story section. Pongo, Purdy, and the pups run with you in the 101 Dalmatians section. Toy soldiers, jack-in-boxes, ballerinas, and dancing brooms lead you through the Fantasia section. And there's the Mighty Ducks and Love Bug sections as well. These rooms are similar to the other All-Star resorts and are suitable for up to 4 guests. Families larger than that can request connecting rooms as well. They each have table beds that not only give you a spot to eat, but a second queen-size bed that pulls down at nighttime. Before any discounts, rooms here can run $130 in the value season, all the way up to $350 per night during the holidays. The resort offers 2 room categories, standard or preferred. Standard is going to be more of a walk to get to Cinema Hall, where preferred is going to be closer to the feature pool and other amenities. Cool off in the feature pool themed to the movie Fantasia. There's a cute little splash zone for the littles as well. Now this pool area is undergoing a refurbishment while we're here filming, so here's some pictures of what the pool is supposed to look like. There's also a second pool called the Duck Pond Pool, located in the Mighty Ducks section of the resort. Getting hungry? Get a quick bite at the world premiere food court. This is your standard value resort food court, but it has some good options to fill your bellies. From Mickey waffles to deluxe burgers and pizzas, there's something to delight every palate. Beyond swimming, there's a bunch of different things to do at All-Star Movies. You can play on the oversized chess and checkers sets, play table tennis, run around on the playground, or check out the arcade games. Plus, there's movies under the stars and nightly marshmallow roasting as well. Ready for some shopping? Check out Donald's Double Feature Store. This is the only merchandise shop on property, but it's a great size, offering seasonal and annual merchandise, t-shirts, ears, coffee cups, and a selection of drinks, spirits, and snacks. Transportation here at All-Star Movies relies solely on the buses. The bus system will take you to any of the 4 theme parks or Disney Springs. Now, the buses get a bad rap sometimes, but the good thing about these value resorts is that they have one dedicated line, so no grouping different stops or resorts in one loop. Just line up at the designated spot, and those buses will take you right to your destination. Well, that's going to do it for our stay here at All-Star Movies. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you stayed at this resort, let me know what you liked most about this resort. Did you like the theming? Did you like the room? Did you like all the different pools? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any most magical stays on Earth. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and we will see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.